music slow down the aging process? Next on The Upbeat. Everyone knows that a love of music can keep you young at heart, but a growing body of research shows that music lessons may actually slow the brain's aging process. We spoke to neuroscientist Dr. Sylvain Moreno to find out more.
Aging and music is a very recent question. There is new evidence showing that there is a positive effect of music training in old age.
Hearing loss is a common fact of growing old, but one study found that older people who had learned to play an instrument as children and had at least 10 years of music training had much better hearing than seniors without musical training. In fact, the aging musicians showed very little hearing loss compared to young people. Their brains process sound signals more quickly than non-musicians.
The regular aging process is you have a loss or deterioration of the brain skills. You have problem with hearing, you have problem with motor process, you have problem with memory, so you lost your capacities. So the idea of music training is it can improve these skills. So it reinforces the core part of these skills that leave you with a chance to keep these skills longer.
And it's not all about aging. Your brain benefits in other ways as you master your favorite classical cantata, jazz standard, or punk anthem.
One very crucial element that we know about musical training is that in the brain science field is the only training who showed that he can just target specific brain skills. So by stimulating these essential skills, music training can transfer to all the other skills that we use throughout the day.
What exactly is happening in your brain while your fingers are learning the chords to Stairway to Heaven?
Music is one of these activities that stimulates the whole brain. So when you play an instrument, you can, perceive the sound that you are producing. You stimulate the frontal brain areas, the prefrontal brain areas, the parietal areas, and the temporal part of the brain. So all the brain is activated when you play an instrument.
There has already been extensive research on the benefits of music lessons on childhood development, but Dr. Moreno believes that even musical late bloomers can benefit. Even into your 60s, 70s, and beyond, playing music may do more than simply just lift your spirits.
There is a very big message of hope here, that there is enough evidence to think that at any age you could follow this training and get improvement. That's gonna help people all over their life.
From Sweet Little 16 to When I'm 64, it's never too late to learn how to strum a few chords, finger dance on the keyboard, or blow your own horn. And it may help keep you forever young. For The Upbeat, I'm Jeanette Liu.